Welcome back to the shop, guys. We're giving a shop tour today, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm trying a hat mount right now. I promised Dell I would do a shop tour. It's been a while since I did a shop tour. This right here, guys, is a little shop that can. I got pretty much anything that I probably most ever need. Well, there's still stuff I want. But anyway, let's talk about it. Y'all see my tool cart. I'll post a video in the description. Over here, we got my Lincoln 140. I love this welder. I use this all the time. It's made me a lot of money. Over there is the Hero Cut 35i. I did a video on that, and I'll put a link for that video in the description too. For a $150 welder, that thing works great. So go check out that video too. This is a bunch of different welding supplies and stuff in here. This is my little welding table. I got some of my still got bits over here from the video where I did the video on the drill bits and stuff. Go check that video out, guys. And if you want to try some of these bits out for yourself, Mowerman 20% off on their website. You know how to mention that, right? Cut off saw down there. Yes welder helmet, Harbor Freight helmet, gloves, grinder. There's the and this guys runs out to a generator because I don't got good electric for my welder, so this runs out to a generator outside, a big generator, Predator generator. My Skill drill press, I've had this drill press for about 10 years now. It's about wore out. I'm gonna replace it one of these days with a mill, a small mill. We got these plastic pulleys. It's about wore out. Creeper. One of my favorite things in the shop is my Tool 11 vise. I got this at auction. I always wanted to know vise. I love this vise. I made this stand right here for it. It's hooked to a wheel and just a piece of quarter angle to some oil stem pipe. I love this vise right here. And then there's a bench grinder on the back side, mounted to the back side. And then I got some hammer holders, and that's a bender for the forge for bending metal. I got a manual code one in the shop. Mower jack, key box, signs. My first brand new toolbox that I ever bought right here, the Husky. First big job I did, I bought it and I still use it. Got a lot of small engine tools in it. It's not as organized as it used to be. I need to go through there and organize. Ratcheting wrenches. Top's always a mess on these. Random parts which needs to be organized, and chemicals and stuff right there. Bench is a bit of a mess, guys. I'm a pretty busy little shop. Remember, this is the shop that could. My small bench press, which I made, check this out, I made this release valve for it so I could turn it by hand out of rebar. I turned it on the lathe, which we'll get over there too, see soon. Random junk on the bench. We got what? So this is the only Ryobi thing in the shop, and this is a die grinder. I actually use that quite a bit. There's some bigger wrenches here. One of the other most used things in the shop is the ultrasonic cleaner. This is a 10 liter. Guys, this is the thing to have in a shop. I had the Harbor Freight one, but this is not too far off in price. The Harbor Freight one works 10 times better, and you got 10 times the room. If you're gonna buy one like this. the computer we live stream from. Right now we ain't got internet because the dog ate the Cat 5. It's a mess down here, by the way, guys. I need to clean that out. My Craftsman metal lathe. I always wanted one, and I finally bought one. It still needs a little work. I give the guy $600 for it. I love this little metal lathe. There's some tooling up here for it on the pegboard. There's a sign I picked up in Ohio. There's a box right there I picked up in Ohio that's full of high dollar machinist tools. Down there is some more machinist tools for this lathe. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this Mac Tool Tech 1000 under here. I got a bunch of just stuff like this in it. A lot of specialty tools and stuff. I think that's it for this side of the shop. Up here, up here, hold on guys. We got my chargers right here. We got some old antique engines here, some antique tools, toys. Back there's usually my little air compressor, and then I just flip the switch on right here to turn it on. But it's in the barn right now. So yeah. Up here, guys, I forgot to mention, I got my little steam engine here. Up here is some antique tools. In that box is an antique snap-on toolbox up there. It's full of J.H. William tools, and there's a bunch of different old tools there. My tire machine, it's a money maker. Paid $1,400 on eBay for it. Been using it a lot. Here we got some tools for it, soapy water, you know, everything you need. And over here we got some valve stem caps, some valve stems, some patches, old Echo 2-stroke oil, some old parts here, my bigger air compressor, my Cheetah. Okay, and over here's a bunch of hardware, plastic rivets, some small engine parts. These are my badges from going to the tractor show for the last, I don't know, 6-7 years. I'm missing a couple. Oop, drop something off of here. From the Good of the Land Fest. Christ Center Ironworks, I won this on a stream. Some stuff from Mix Mowers here. One of my first sticker board. My second sticker board right here, which is filling up. If you want to send me a sticker, my email's down below. I'll send you my address. You can send me a sticker. I'll eventually get some more stickers in so I can send stickers back out to people. But right now I don't have any. I think that's about it, guys. Everything I could show you in this shop. This is right here. Like I said, this is a little shop that could. I have pretty much anything, probably more stuff than some big shops have. I just don't have the space that the big shops have in here. So, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it turned out good, because this hat mount is kind of wonky, and I hope it didn't mess up too bad on there. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Remember, live streams every Saturday, 8 p.m. Central Time on this channel. And also check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and Facebook. It's all BS Small Engines. So go look me up there. And, well, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I will see y'all next time in the shop.